This is the VIVO Smart Manufacturing Center. There are more than 100 AMRs operating 24 hours per day here. To optimize processes and improve efficiency, VIVO Manufacturing Center introduced Hikrobot warehouse automation solution. The large-scale deployment of AMRs greatly reduced the workload of employees. The energy consumption is also significantly reduced in the warehouse. The AMRs support advanced visual SLAM and 2D code navigation methods for seamless switching. The positioning accuracy is up to millimeter level. AMRs move under the cluster control of RCS 2000 to reduce manual interventions and level up automation. Seamless integration between IWMS 1000 and VIVO WMS facilitates smooth information flow between upstream and downstream businesses, improving human-computer interaction. AMRs communicates with each other via 5G with low latency and high connectivity, greatly improving work efficiency. In the face of the intelligent revolution, we deeply integrate digitalization into the warehousing system to build a highly efficient and intelligent world-class smart manufacturing center. Driven by innovation and backed by technology, we deliver projects that go above and beyond.